What is going on? Welcome back to Shed Built. In this episode, we're finally getting the Troopy back on the road. And here's where I didn't turn on the microphone. But what we're looking at here is a Land Cruiser steering box, if you couldn't tell, you've never seen one. And it turns out they're actually pretty hard to find in Perth. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this video. Stumbled across this burnt boy. Must have been chopping it up, doing a bit of training on it. Steering box looks all right. I reckon we're onto something here. And it turns out it's just completely seized. I mean, I should have known it from looking at it, but I just got so desperate. I thought, yeah, this is me, the one out in the bush. But yeah, after figuring out that it was completely seized and past the point of no return, I contacted my old man who works out in Kalgoorlie, and up there is just a Land Cruiser parts heaven from all the mine sites. So he actually went to one of the parts stores there and picked up a mint Land Cruiser steering box, and it was all within tolerance. It was super smooth, and he freighted it back to me in Perth. So shout out to you, old boy, because you definitely saved the day. But yeah, we're about to throw some rust sealer and converter on it and get it looking pretty. Alright, so I've got the box installed. Goes down pitman arm and then onto the link. Also got the steering column installed. It's all connected up. And all the power steering lines up into the pump down there, up into the reservoir. But yeah, now I'm just gonna work on getting everything else reassembled. It's all quite tedious, just cleaning up parts and stuff. We've bled the brakes, so they're all good and ready, plugged in. I've got to install the vacuum pump and the line runs across the firewall there. I'm just going to go ahead and reassemble everything, and I'll give you guys an update shortly. Alright, so we got the windscreen trim panel on, the grille, the headlights, bottom panel there. I've cable tied a lot of this stuff out of the way, installed the battery in the battery box. Obviously none of this is staying, along with this. Look at it, jeez. The big pod, that's obviously not staying. The fan, broke my wrist trying to get the nuts for that in, but it's getting pretty close. I'm almost thinking we could take it for a spin around the block. Once we got the bonnet on, of course, I'm going to phone a friend to help put the bonnet on. But yeah, it's getting there. I'm going to keep ticking away. And yeah, you'll see what we do next. I don't know what it is, but yeah, you'll see. All right, here we go. To say I'm nervous is an understatement, but let's see what happens, eh? Clutch in, neutral, Lovely. Hopefully everyone in my neighbourhood's been on their best behaviour. Hopefully there's no officers lurking around here, because yeah, it wouldn't be good news. Alright, we're going up the straight. Oh, we're off. Turbo is just insane. Look at the steering wheel's a bit off, that's alright. And I'm looking at the ground. But we're rolling. All I can hear is turbo. Quite smooth. Steering is 1,000 times better than what it used to be. I don't know if you guys can hear that turbo, but it makes me smile. Brakes are alright. I have no indicators. Don't worry. This is awesome. I'm having too much fun. I'm going to pull it back in, check that everything's still working. Alright, we don't have any leaks, nothing's on fire. It's always a good start. I should shut it down, but I'm having too much fun. That was wicked. Let's go again. Just adjust my vice grips for my window winder. There we go, ready to go. That noise. Like a Boeing 747, it's ear piercing. Feels so good to be finally driving this again. It's been a while. I'm not saying anything because I'm trying to listen for any knocks or ticks or anything unusual, but it all seems alright so far. Just enjoying it. There's so many different smells as well coming out of the engine, everything burning off and settling into its new home, but this is a good feeling. Everyone's snapping their necks. What is this Frankenstein looking thing? Hopefully there's none of our fine policemen around for them to snap necks. This guy, he's loving it. That's awesome. Righto, shut her down. Wicked. That was a good time. Alright, and that is it from that episode. I know it didn't seem it, but I am super stoked that it's back on the road driving again. It's obviously nowhere near finished, but it's a major milestone in the build. With that said, stick around for next episode when I show you guys how you can make your own DIY dual battery tray, and I'll see you then. So stick around, like, subscribe, you know the deal, and I'll see you next time. Cheers for watching.